warm welcome to this weekend special where we bring you the other side of the political personality. This week, our guest is someone who's a vocal and a robust face of the Congress. She was known to ride a tractor inside the parliament in the year 2002. Yes, our special guest today is Ms. Renuka Chaudhary. Renuka ji, welcome to the Rajya Sabha television.
Thank you.
So, of course, as the program says, we bring the other side of the personality and we've brought you here in a village in Haryana. So, away from the hectic life of politics, what are you really going to show us today?
You know, these are the precious lungs, if you ask me, not just the parks and the cities. And having given up this land is so precious to me because this shows the life, our roots from where we came. So this is where we do agriculture, we grow vegetables, we grow paddy, we grow the food for the cows. I'm going to introduce you to my girls, to my cows because...
Just be careful, yeah.
Come, baby. And their dogs, this is... we have Mirchi and Maska.
Okay, very interesting names.
Yes, Mirchi is very tez. She's a very sharp girl.
Okay, so she's like a mirchi.
Yeah, she is.
People in Delhi, they don't know this side of your personality much. Especially in Hyderabad when you're there, then maybe people over there know.
Yeah.
But even around Delhi, people have not seen you in this form.
You know, that's because we are always looking at stereotypes. We had eminent parliamentarians who told us, हम बाल कटौती लोग हैं. जो लिपस्टिक पहनने वाली औरत तो क्या हम दूसरा काम नहीं संभाल सकते हैं और ये हमारी बिजली है ये बिजली है जो हम सबको दूध देती है जिसमें कोई
But you're comfortable with milking the cows? That's not...
Yes.
Oh.
Ganga.
This one is feeling jealous, I think.
Bijli was one of her first said, you know, this patch on her forehead, you know, this is where fashion evolves from. Da.
Hello.
Da.
Did you get wild if I touch her?
No, not at all.
Hello.
See, see the... Okay. No, you come.
I'm also going to learn milking today.
Okay.
Let me try.
Yeah, Kajri is passive. She can try Kajri.
Only after you try.
Godavari kare.
Ma'am, it's only after you try.
Ganga ko kare, theek.
But I'll only try.
Yeah,
I
I'll do it. See.
So you have to press it at a certain point and then
see,
only the milk
comes.
See. Yeah. Oh.
See that?
Can I try?
Yeah, of course.
Let me do that.
It's warm milk. Pull it from up. Don't pinch it. It will hurt. You have to.
Ma'am, I'll end up pinching it.
See, you have to squeeze it out like that.
Okay.
Like that.
Okay.
If you pinch it like that, it hurts. It'll kick.
Yeah, now it's coming out. Yeah.
When you boil and drink this milk, it's even better. And you said yogurt, probiotic and all these tablets which the doctors give you, it's here. Mustn't mind being swatted by the tail. Nikalo beta.
But it's simply tiring also, like for you just go on.
Not really. If you just sit comfortably, you can do it.
Okay.
See, he does it faster because he's so used and he's using all the see.
Yeah. So we start with Kajri. Hello, Kajri. See, we've got lovely things for you.
They have rough tongues. You know, their tongues are very rough. They're not soft, as you imagine that they'll be.
How do you really balance your life between farming and addressing the press in Delhi?
Well, now you know when I'm missing in Delhi, you know where to find me.
I know that now. People really talk about your, adventure of climbing onto the tractor and really driving it, which not many women do it.
Actually, I don't. You know, it is to break that stereotype that if you can drive a car,
of course,
you can drive a tractor. It's a basic skill.
I'm really excited to see you sitting on a tractor because I have never sat on a tractor.
Really? Well, there's always a first time.
I also climb from here only?
Yeah.
Okay.
You climb here.
Oh,
put
it
your
isn't
foot
really
on that
difficult.
tire and sit
this
here.
This is really manageable.
This
Not
is
a very difficult thing.
not at all. So it's all
Let
in the
me see.
mind when you think.
Let me see if I can. Wow.
Okay, now
Wow.
hold on because when we
Okay,
take
so I have
off,
to keep holding this. Oh wow, lovely.
लोड पे नहीं है ना ये गियर फर्स्ट ये
So you could drive this like a real car, you know?
this is also an accelerator.
Okay. So where is the gear?
These are your gears.
Okay. Oh, so you put
These
the
are
gear
your
from
gears,
there.
huh?
Okay, lovely. So driving in the fields and driving on the plain ground, how different is it?
Very different because on the playground it's a lot easier.
Okay.
On the field when you go and when you're tilling, when the implement is digging into the ground and it first takes off, if you don't know how to do it smoothly, you can jerk the neck very badly.
I remember when this Mangalore pub attack happened, we started with a campaign called Pub Bharo campaign.
Yeah, my
So why
daughter
not
did that.
Tractor Chalao campaign?
I know, but I think so. I think it's wonderful because this will give us a lot more satisfaction and it's a skill.
Yeah, and I'm
I
sure
mean, we're
a lot
talking
of
about
women would
skill
be interested in
development.
it.
This is a skill. Driving is a skill.
Your parents never said that no, you shouldn't do it. and
No,
you
my
shouldn't do that.
father never brought me up to whether I was a girl or. He just said you're a citizen and you just have to learn to do. And when I wanted to drive the car, the family car, he only asked me one question. He said, "What will you do if you have a puncture?"
Oh.
And I was young. I was 11 when I wanted to drive. So I said, "I'll call the driver." And he said, "Wrong answer. You're not getting my car. It's something I've earned and saved and earned. And if you don't know how to look after it, why should you be allowed to drive it?" This is our traditional khana, no preservative.
Yeah.
जो अवेलेबल है उसी से हम बनाते हैं
It's really lovely.
और ये छाछ लस्सी
But you don't bother about the calories, ma'am.
does it look like I bother?
Okay, ma'am, then. Okay, see you.
Thank you
Hope
so
to
much.
see you soon again.
Thank you. Enjoyed.
So that was Renuka Chaudhary for you. That's it from me here. See you again next week with another personality. Till then, goodbye and thanks for watching.